under the Math tab, please find Evaluate and Expression. Notice that the variables are this long is because under Display I have Draw Full Names. If I uncheck this one, look what happens. So be aware. But if you want to continue working with full names, like I have over here, you can right click and select X for that variable and Y for this variable. Let's do the same over here, X and Y. Now, if under expression you right click and you select the editor, this will pop up. Let me cancel it. Also, if you double click on this area, the same window will pop up. So those two are almost the same. So I'm going to move this one up here and continue with this one. And what I want to do is to connect this list of numbers and zoom in and delete the second variable, Y. Now I can double click inside and select and view all the functions that Grasshopper provides. I'm going to concentrate on this one. If, open parentheses, test, comma. If it is true, set it to A. If it is false, set it to B. So, let us see. If, open parentheses, X is equal to 1, comma, set it to 1. If it is not 1, set it to 0. Close parentheses because it says you need to close it. And hit OK. Let us see the result over here. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, if X is equal to 1, set it to 1. If it is not, set it to 0. So what happens over here? Notice that you are entering strings. So be aware of that. Sometimes the panel is not providing numbers. So we can come to params and select integers. Connect the integer over here and the integer over here. And now this is entering a list of numbers, integers. And the formula works. If X is equal to 1, set it to 1. If it is not, set it to 0. We can change this one like this. If we can change this one to if it is equal or greater. If it is equal or greater. If I hit OK, look at that. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2 is equal or greater than 1. So we're going to use this expression in the next exercise. So don't forget math, scripts, evaluate, and expression. And don't forget about the names of the variables and if you are entering numbers or integers or strings. Be careful.